Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to round off decimal numbers. When you're rounding up any number, you're trying to get a close or approximate value to the number you're working with. The steps to take are: 1. You find the place you're rounding to. 2. You look to the right or find the decider number. 3. You either round up or round down and then you cut off. A quick recap: if you have numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 as your decider, then you round down, meaning you add 0. While if you have numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, you round up or you add 1. Let's look at the following example. In the first question, you're to round to the nearest tenth, 62.87. The first step is to find the place you're rounding to. It says the 10th, and the number in the 10th position is your 8. Note that you look to the right for your decider. In this case, that's 7. 7 is in the round-up group, that's +1. That means you're going to add 1 to your position. Your new number, rounded up, will be 62.8 plus 1, 90. You cut off the remaining number. In the second example, the number in your units position is your 3. Your decider, if you look to the right, is your 9. Note that 9 is in a round up group, that's +1, so you're going to be adding 1 to your 3, and then your number rounding up to the nearest units will be 34. You're going to add 1 to your 3, and you cut off the remaining number. It becomes 0. In the third example, you're still rounding up to units. I'm going to underline the number in the units position, which is 4. I look to the right for my decider, which is the number 4. Therefore, it's in the round down group, which is +0. Therefore, my answer will be 1. 4 plus 0 remains 4.00. You cut off the remaining number. In the next example, the number in the 100th position is my 9. My decider, or the number on the right, is 5. It's in the +1, so therefore I'm going to add 1 to my 9. Note that if I have to add 1 to my 9, that's going to be 10, and that's a 2-digit number, which means I have to regroup. What that means is, if I have 9 plus 1, that's 10. I have +1 to my next number. 9 plus 1 again, that's 10. Then I have my decimal point. I'm going to add 1 to my next number. 9 plus 1, that's another 10. I'm going to add 1 to the next number. 4 plus 1, that's 5. So therefore, rounding up to the nearest 100th will give me 50.00. In the next example, I'm to round up to 10,000th. The number in the 10,000th position will be my 0, and the decider, or the number on the right, is 6. 6 is in the round up group, that's adding 1. Therefore, my answer will be 3.569. 0 plus 1, that's 1. I cut off the remaining number, that's 6, or I may decide to add my 0. And the last example, I'm rounding off to the nearest 1,000th. The digit in my 1,000th position is 7. If I look at the decider, or the number on the right, that's 4. That's in the lower group, that's round down. Therefore, I'm going to add 0. My final answer will be 5.000. 7 plus 0 remains 0, and I'm going to cut off the remaining numbers. It becomes 0. Thanks for watching. Bye.